Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in Nifty index option today. And now we are moving to the new contract since the previous contract had expired yesterday. So things will be a bit different. What happened yesterday, the price you could see consolidated for a very long time in this contract around 10,600. It tried to struggle a lot to move up, but finally when the price closed, it showed some sort of buying and closed near 10,622, and today it's expected to open somewhere near 10,650s and 60s. So we are expecting a higher opening compared to the previous day's closing. And as a follower, you know that completely in the last contract, most of the time we stayed on the put side, which means that we expected the price to come down, the market to have some selling. But what we are going to do in the beginning of this contract, we are going to fix this area, that is 10,600 and 620. Since if the price is staying above the zone, mostly we will be interested in going for buying rather than going for selling. Or we have a very clear view, we will sell from 10,750. Once the price reaches 10,750, we will try to pick some selling, which means that we will switch to the put side. So few ideas we have. So what today we expect some sort of buying to happen. So what we are going to take, we are going to take 10,850 call option. 10,850 call option, where we need to go for buying, which closed around 49.05. Today, since it is expected to open a bit higher, you can expect the price to open somewhere near 60s. So wait for the price to come near 60, 62s, and then go for buying by placing stop loss near 38. Expecting that the price can move up. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session. And thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.